Welcome, today I am with Huawei MatePad 11 and I'll show you how quickly you can get Google Apps on this device. So all you have to do, be connected to the Wi-Fi network or mobile data, then open the app gallery, skip this ad after a few moments, tap on the search pool and type GSpace. We have to use this external application because, as you probably know, the currently devices from Huawei doesn't support the Google services, so that's how we can make it with external apps. So get the GSpace, tap install at the bottom. Right now we can open, click start, accept all the permissions, click continue. Okay, and for example, we can open the Google Maps, so tap on them. Right now, after a few moments, we can close this ad and we will be moved to the Play Store. As you can see, here we are, so we can sign in. Okay, it takes too much time. If you have the same problem, just go back, slide like that and tap to sign in one more time. And that's how it's supposed to look. So we will have this notification. Our model will be recognized as the Huawei P30. So right now we are able to log in with our currently Gmail account. If you input correctly, just click next. And right now input your password. So let me do this. Okay, my password is correct. So right now I can click next. Accept this stuff. We can turn on or turn off the Google backup. I'm gonna turn it off. Now just be patient, wait a little bit. We are going to wait for like 10 seconds. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it takes too much time. So go back for the 2 times, open the Google Maps one more time. Just don't waste your time. If it's stuck on the screen, you can just go back and open it one more time. And as you can see right now, it's working. So we can install the Google Maps. For example, if you are looking for any other Google application, you can just type on the search pool and type Google. Tap on the search pool and here you are all their Google apps like Chrome, Translate, Play Games, Google Assistant or Google Photos even. There it is, we can open the Google Maps. Okay, let's take a look. We have to tap here and enable location. And we can try to navigate for our favorite places. So, like for the shopping mall, we can start the direction.
Head northeast.
Yeah. So as you can see, this one is working. We can just go back for this GSpace application. We are here and we can add this shortcut to our device home screen for the main screen. So you can open it one more time. There it is. So we have to click, hold, tap to create shortcut, tap to add and take a look. It will appear right here on our home screen. So we can just tap to open. Of course, there will be add. You have to get used to it. There's no any other way to skip that. And we can use the Google application. So to assume, if you want to use the Google apps, you have to get GSpace. And to download any application, you have to open one of this application, like for example the Google Maps. Okay, this one was already installed, so you can use, for example, the Facebook. So when you open this application with this small fire icon, you will be moved to the Play Store, and here we can download all apps that you want. So here, for example, we can get also the Facebook. And yes, that's how quickly you can use Google Apps on the Huawei MatePad 11. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.